Oh, it's going to be real new.
Yeah, 600,000.
Okay, so this one is a 2012 Newell, and it'll give you an idea of what a 2012, really pretty. Entry has the brown cockpit area. It's done in brown tones. And TV right up front. Beautiful coach. So I'm sure that that makes into a bed. And then the kitchen is back here. That wood on that kitchen is just beautiful. Has the opposing sofas, which makes it nice. Gives more seating for when you have family time. And then the dinette's back here. That makes it nice. I can see it has the dishwasher, microwave. And then the coffee is built in the wall. Look at that, Zach. The coffee's built in the wall.
Oh, wow.
The cooktop. So this is an idea of what a 2012 looks like. Spacious. Oh, more cabinetry. That's cute. And this is the refrigerator on the 2012. And the bathroom. It's nice. Nice bathroom. Feels very yacht-like. And then you have your oh, it's a washer and dryer. And then here is the king in the master. And then back here is the master bath. Very nice, spacious shower, toilet, bowl sink. That's a pretty feature. And then, oh, cedar line closet. That's nice, with a rod. That's a nice upgrade. I like that. And behind the panel is your aqua hot. Also in here gives you an idea of your medicine cabinets, of what all is included here. Lots of storage room for sure. And back to the bedroom, TV, and storage, and back to the den.